What? Your sister is pregnant.
Up down.
1, 2, 3.
Love you more, baby. Ah!
Best friend, me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.
Surprise! Your girl's pregnant. I know y'all probably wondering where I've been all these months, but your girl been knocked up. I'm about to surprise my mom and my little sister with this pregnancy test, so come along on the journey with me. Alright, hopefully my storage don't run out. But
Mom! Come get it. Come here. I don't care. Mommy, come here. And not touch him. You gotta touch him how you do. Stop. And he's stupid. Because he knows. What's that? He knows he don't want to be. He a fuckboy. He's a fuckboy. Cora, look real quick. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. This gotta be a prank. This gotta be a prank. This gotta be a prank. Look. And look. Look. What? Your sister is pregnant. Look. I'm gonna be a grandma? Nah, this gotta be a prank. This is a prank. This is a prank. This is a prank. It is a prank. It is a prank. That's why she wanted me to come up. She took my phone and come out here. But it says the clear blue that said pregnant, and then this one, the 2-9. So is she lying? Do they have a fake pregnant thing like prank? The girl and the boy? No, because she put a prank on me before with that pregnant shit, and it was just a prank.
Tell us what's happening. Hey guys, long time no see. A lot has happened, transpired in like the last few months, but today's my gender reveal, and we're still getting ready. It started at 4. It's currently 4:46. Yeah. So we're running a little behind time, but it's still good. Thank you so much. Put cupcakes on the platter, whatever you can fit on that. The meals. Oh, cute. Oh, wait. It's blurry. Okay, got them.
You peep it?
When the knee drop on my heel, on my wrist, I
My name is Hardeen. I am auntie, and I think it's going to be a boy. My name is Cassie. I'm Tati, and I think the baby's going to be a boy.
I'm Kim. I'm auntie. My name is Whitney. I'm uncle.
I'm expecting a girl. This girl's wrong.
So at first I thought it was a boy, but I saw the bump. It's definitely a girl.
Gotti. Thea. I'm Auntie Nay. Yeah.
What do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be a girl, but overall, I'm wishing for a healthy baby. But yeah.
I also think it's gonna be a girl, but honestly, whatever they come out as, that's what it is. And we will love them and accept them as is.
Thank you. Immediately no. Can you tell me your name, what you are for the baby, and what you think it's gonna be?
What do I want for what?
What do you think the baby's gonna be?
My name is Catherine, and
I'll get your shoes only.
okay. I think. Thank you. I don't think this will ever goes. Wait, I'm thinking it's gonna be a healthy baby. That's all I want. Yeah.
Okay, it's TT Alex, and we want a healthy baby, but I am team boy. But if you see this when you're older, I don't care if you're a boy or girl. I still love you anyway.
Tell me your name, what you are for the baby, and I guess what you think you're gonna be because you are the keeper.
My name is VJ. I am the auntie. I think the godmother. I'm not too sure yet. And I want a healthy baby. Even though I know what you are, I want a healthy baby.
My name's Khalees. I'm the baby's cousin, and I think it's gonna be a girl.
My name's Tanaja. I'm a friend, and I think it's gonna be a boy.
I'm Shauna. I'm the baby's cousin, and I think it's gonna be a boy.
I'm Sam, and I'm the baby's cousin, and I think it's gonna be a boy.
Say Cameron. Say I'm Cameron.
Cameron, let's do it.
Say I'm the baby's cousin.
I think coming. Hi, my name is Leilani, and I'm the auntie of the baby, and I want it to be a girl, team girl.
Guys, so my name is Margot Harry. I'm the mom of Jessica, and I already know what she's having. So all I want is for her to have a healthy baby, boy or girl, whichever it is. I'll be happy, and I can't wait to meet my grandchild. I'm a grandma, y'all.
My name is Jess. I'm mom.
Mike, MJ, I'm dad.
And I think it's a girl.
Team boy all day. Healthy, but team boy. Girl or boy?
Girl all day, every day.
But team boy all
It's
day.
a girl.
Let's get it.
You want to say something to the vlog? We're going to be real now. Oh my god. Why is everyone staring at me? Where's Mike at?
Okay, so you shake it and then you remove it.
Mikey, girl. All right. After you pull the trigger and watch it fly.
Where are we doing it?
I just want you to know I'm team boy.
Oh, girl.
Team boy. Team boy. Mikey Junior. Mikey Junior.
Ready?
Spray it that way, please.
Countdown.
1, 2, 3.
Girl coming.
Yes,
Girl coming. Girl on the way.
Team girl, period.
It's okay, healthy baby. I'm sorry, I stole her.
Congratulations. Thank you.
I'm sorry, auntie.
Baby girl, that's all right. That's all right.
We got a girl, y'all. My hands are dirty. Team girl! Woo!
Team girl.
Team
girl.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's just coming back with another video. 10 months later, no stuff. But today is August 3rd, 2024. I know I haven't seen you guys in a while. You know, I've just been chilling, you know, and all of that. But I wanted to take y'all on this little photo shoot journey with me. I'm doing like a half-baked photo shoot, even though I'm past 20 weeks. I'm like 26 weeks right now. a little over the 20 weeks.
Is it just a little turnip, they said?
I think that was last week.
She grew to
yeah, I'm gonna see what size she is today.
It's the size of avocado.
Yeah.
Same thing too. What the hell?
So I'm 26 weeks. She's the size of a scallion.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So it's like this. And weigh 2 pounds. So.
Damn. What do you do?
November 3rd.
Damn.
2 days after my birthday. Yeah. She said of this year. I've been pregnant for 6 months.
This year.
Yeah, it's almost that time, guys. Go best friend, TVV. Hey,
I'm sitting on my
okay. I'm gonna go get dressed in my outfit. It's not really outfit, but it's like what I'm wearing for the shoot, and then I'll be back. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. I'm dressed. I'll show y'all in a second. But we are setting up the half-baked
that won't be in there.
photo shoots. Period. We got a little mixing bowl, a whisk, measuring cup, bread roller. Where's the flour? We need flour. Cookies, eggs. My babies. My little babies. What do you call this shit?
Sonogram, I think?
Yeah, on ultrasound.
Oh,
it's a Calvin Klein bra and bralette and short, like boy shorts or whatever. Here's my bump. She loves music.
Okay.
So when I want to get her to move, like someone to feel her, I'll play music so that she can move. She's gonna be into music. Okay guys, so when we get started, I'll start filming again, but catch y'all in the next clip. Are these real shots now? Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna, should I be out the way? Oh.
Okay.
So wait, hold on.
Let's do like 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I like the lighting over here. I like the background. Yeah. Love it.
That's a wrap, guys! Can't wait to show y'all what we cooked up, what we baked up, what we baked up. No, sir. Yeah, so yeah guys, cool little half-baked shoe.
Are you definitely saying?
Let me show y'all my bump. Yeah, she's growing, y'all, but that's it, y'all. We finna go get something to eat because we are starving, and then we're gonna have a little slumber party. So that's it for this vlog. Not really sure when I'm gonna vlog again. Probably for my maternity shoot coming up later on this month. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all in the next video. Hey guys, so we're back from going out to eat. We went out to eat and whatever. Just got back. It's like 10 something. Don't have my phone on me, but I wanted to do this real quick before my best friend comes back. So she went out real quick to come back, so I wanted to do this on camera real quick. So she doesn't know yet, but I am asking her to be the godmother of my baby. So I got this from Amazon. Yeah,
So I got this from Amazon. What it says in there. Yeah, so that, and then I got her like a little card. Ooh, I wrote her a message, but yeah. And this was my very first ultrasound picture right there. Little nugget, only 8 weeks. So yeah, I got this for her and I'm gonna surprise her with it and get her reaction. So when she comes back, I'm gonna say I got you something, close your eyes or something, and then yeah, and get her reaction on camera. What's that?
I don't know how to put this down, so.
What is that?
What is this? What?
Is that yours?
Mm-hmm. What? I saw all these too.
Mad corny. I'm like, wait, I saw a card right here. I'm like, wait, okay, so that's you're so cute. I'm like, wait. I know y'all were in there.
Yeah.
What? I heard you literally just. There's an important question for you, dear BJ. I need an extra pair of hands to help me learn and grow. I know that yours will be the best because mom and dad told me so. Will you be my godmother?
Aww.
Of course I will, sweetie. Ah, I can't wait. I love it. Will you be my godmother? Now you know. A little crazy to think we were just kids the other day playing outside in Fairlawn, and now I'm having a baby. And we're pushing 30, 25 plus years of friendship, and they don't make them like that anymore. Love you. Love you more, baby. Ah! I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm a godmommy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is August 24th. It's maternity shoot day. We just got to the studio.
Photographer in action.
Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.